Everybody's been talking about the real estate prices coming down, which they have been, and I just want to be real with you guys and show you exactly what the average condo price is right now in Mississauga and how much would that cost you per month. But I will take it a step further and also break down detached homes, what the average price is right now as it stands in February 2026 in Mississauga, and then show you what that would cost you per month, all in, all the other extra fixed monthly costs that come with owning a home. I'll calculate all that very simple, very quickly, just so you know exactly what your total monthly cost would be for a condo and for a detached house in Mississauga. I'm Atta Jaffrey. I've been selling real estate in Mississauga, in Toronto, and the GTA for more than 20 years, and my goal is really just to make the buying and selling process simple. So let's get right into it. Let's see first what the average price is for condos and then break down the monthly cost. Okay, so this is where we get all the stats. I just want to show you here. Let's go to condo apartment only. So condo apartment, and then we're going to go to just Mississauga. We go to Peel. We'll get rid of Brampton, Caledon, other municipalities. Okay, and we also want to do average price, and we're going to go up until January 31st. Now let's look at the chart. So currently, as it stands, the average price for condos, this is either one bedroom, two bedroom, it's just the average price. We're just making it very simple. It's $507,000. So the easiest site for this is really realtor.ca. That's the site I use when I'm with clients to break down all the monthly costs. So let's just put here 500,000 for now. And we're going to do this with 10% down payment because most buyers, first-time buyers, it's rare that they have 20%. It's usually 5 or 10%, but for this calculation, I see a lot of buyers with 10% down, so that's kind of what we're going to work with. So here we go. Here's your 10% down payment, $50,000 down. This is the CMHC insurance that is added onto your loan amount. So your loan amount, $500,000 minus $50,000 is not going to equal $450 because you got to add this $13,000 CMHC insurance, which brings you to $463,000. Now, you are able to amortize over 30 years, and I'm seeing some very good interest rates right now, as low as 3.85%. But for this calculation, I will stick to a 4% rate right now. Okay, so that makes your monthly payments just for mortgage at $2,210. Are you a first-time buyer? Yes. That changes your land transfer tax. In Ontario, you have to pay the provincial land transfer tax, but in the city of Toronto, there's also a municipal tax. In this case, we're doing Mississauga, so you won't have to pay this municipal tax. It's just $64.75, and then you get your rebate of $4,000, so it actually ends up being $24.75, okay? So let's go on to your monthly expenses. So we're gonna go with scenario 2, which is 10% down payment. It is a condo, and we're gonna change these numbers up that are here. So mortgage is $2,210. Your property taxes, we're gonna put at $300. For these type of units, average of $500,000, your property taxes will be around $300 per month. We're just doing housing costs right now, okay? So utilities, we're not going to include utilities right now. Property insurance is about $50. Again, we're not doing any personal expenses, so we're going to get rid of all of this. But the condo fee. So in the $500,000 range, you get condo fees from $700 all the way up to $1,000. Give or take on either end, could be less than 700, can be higher. It's $1 per square foot calculation. The bigger the unit, the higher the maintenance fees, generally speaking, and the average is around 85 cents per square foot. But for this calculation, I'm gonna go with $700, which is a very reasonable maintenance fee. So all in, not including your utilities, would be, because sometimes utilities are included, not including your utilities would be $32.60. This is with 10% down payment, including your maintenance, including your property tax, including your home insurance. These are your fixed monthly costs. There's really nothing else to owning a condo other than these fixed monthly costs plus your utilities and your living expenses, but that's up to you. So we're not going to calculate that. So you're at $3,260 per month. That is the all-encompassing carrying cost for condos. Now, I just want to show you something very quickly here is the amortization schedule. Let's say you did a 5-year term. In the first year, you're paying the most interest. As the years go on, you're paying less, a little bit less, a little bit less into your interest and more into your principal. By the time the year is done, you would have paid $132,000 total, $44,000 and change in principal, and $87,000 in interest. I know that's a big number to swallow, but the alternative is renting, where you're paying the mortgage off for the landlord, and really you could kind of say it's all interest because that money is going nowhere to help you, really. It is cheaper to rent a condo like this. If it's 2-bedroom, right now we're at $3,200. There are 2-bedroom units in the $500,000 range. Those ones generally have a little bit of a higher maintenance, but let's say you're getting a really, really, really nice 1+1 bedroom. But honestly, the 1+1s are even cheaper. But hypothetically, let's say you're renting a 1+1 bedroom condo, that's around $2,400-$2,500. So it's about $500-$700 more expensive to own with 10% down at $500,000. Now, what we're gonna do is let's go back here and we're gonna change this to detached homes, just detached. And we're gonna look what the average is today as it stands. And it is $1.451 million. That is the average for detached homes, average price in Mississauga. Okay, so let's go back here. Now it's going to get pretty expensive, right? So let's go 1.4. Okay, 10% down is $140,000 plus your CMHC of $41,000 makes your total mortgage 1.3. We're going to go with the 10% down again. Your monthly mortgage is $6,189. It definitely makes more sense at the 20% down mark. Not many people are buying detached homes in this price with 10%, but just for calculation purposes, just to compare. So everything else kind of stays the same. Property taxes are probably going to be around $600 per month, and then your utilities will leave blank. Insurance will probably be about $100 per month, and this is a house, so there's no maintenance fee. So you're at $68.89 plus utilities. There's no other fixed monthly cost. There might be a hot water tank, so we'll include that under utilities for now as $50 for the hot water tank, specifically for the hot water tank, not the bills. So you're looking at a total monthly cost with property tax of $69.39. That is what an average detached costs in Mississauga. The average detached price is $1.4 million. That being said, there are several detached homes around $1 million in Mississauga. And if that were the case, let me just very quickly show you guys here. So if we change this to $1 million, 10% down, 100,000. You got 30-year amortization, 4% interest, 44.21, and then your property taxes would probably be a little bit less, around $500. And everything else we're going to keep the same for now. This would bring you down to around $5,000. This is more realistic nowadays for people that are trying to get into the entry-level detached market with 10% down. They won't go up to $1.4 million. I just wanted to show you that because that's the average price. But you can get many detached homes in Mississauga around $1 million, and your all-in monthly cost, not including utilities, is $5,071. And if you want to look at that same amortization schedule, here we are at the end of 5 years, you would have paid $265,000 total. Around $90,000 is going to your principal and $175,000 is going to interest. I hope this helps. This was just a basic understanding of your all-in monthly costs. Just to recap, a condo is roughly around $3,200-$3,300 all in, not including utilities. Sometimes utilities are included in that monthly maintenance fee. And then a detached home around $1 million, you're at about $5,000 per month plus your utilities. I'm Atar Jaffrey. I've been selling real estate in Mississauga and Toronto and the GTA for more than 20 years. My goal is just to make the buying and selling process simple. And if you want to get in touch, there is a book a call link down below. Just fill it out and I'll be sure to get back to you.